In this video, we're going to be taking a look at using the mirror modifier. So to do that, we just need to select our object, go to the modifier properties, and add a mirror modifier. So at the moment, we won't see any effect, and that is because the origin point is right in the center, and the origin point is where the mirror is going to be placed. So if we tab inside edit mode, and we go on move, we can move the object across, and we can see that it's being mirrored across this line here. And at the moment we've got it set to the x-axis, which as you can see is this red one, so it's being mirrored along this red line. Or if we changed it to y, and then we moved our object along, we can see it's being mirrored along the green, which is the y. And also if we enabled the z-axis, we could move it up or down, and we can see it's being mirrored across the z as well. So all of these mirrors are being placed where the origin point is, but we can also mirror using a different object as the mirror point. So if I go and add a mesh, a UV sphere, and we'll go and move this over here, now I can select my cubes, and I can choose mirror object, and I can pick this, and now we can see it's being mirrored either side of the sphere. The mirror can be really useful when it comes to modeling. If you wanted to have lots of detail on both sides, but you don't have to model it on both sides, we can just use the mirror to copy it over to the other side. So for example, I could add a cube mesh, I can tab into edit mode, and I will put a loop cut straight down the middle here. And I'm going to go and select all of this side and delete it. And then if I apply the mirror to this, choose Y, and I'll turn on clipping. So now we're back with our full cube. If I tab back into edit mode, I can now make changes to this side, and it's going to copy them over to the other side.